Today we're going to go ahead and take a look at how we can use a Checkout 51 to earn rewards while shopping and purchasing a gas. If that is something that you are interested in, stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Game Plan, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I upload videos on how to earn money from home or from your phone. And if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and subscribe, and then also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a brand new video, which is every single day. And then also don't forget to check out the details in regards to the gift card giveaway that we're doing for the month of March. If you're interested, the description in this video has more details in regards to that. And if you are interested in learning on how I earn money online, I share more details in the description below this video. That is my #1 source of income stream online, so check that out. That is the first link below this video. Now we're gonna go ahead and dive into this app. We're currently in the Google Play Store. As you can see, this is the logo of the app, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at it and how we can use this app to earn rewards and get cash back on the shopping that we already do and stuff. So, and then also on how we can use it, like kind of step by step explain on how we can use it as beginners, or as if we want to learn how to get cash back on our shopping. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So this app has been rated 4.4 stars out of 5 stars, and it has been rated by over 60,000 people, and it does have some people's reviews if you want to come and read the reviews. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at the let me see if we can find. Okay, so this is a developer information and the developer contact information. So if you have any issues with this app, and if you want to get in touch with the developers, this is where you will find their information. This is their email address. This is their physical address. They actually have a physical address, and they also have a website that you can actually visit and get in contact with them if you want to. If you're having any issues, if you have any questions, concerns, suggestions, or anything for the app developers, you can contact them here. And as we can see, this app has been downloaded by over 10 million people. So I mean, as you can see, it is pretty popular, and it doesn't have a lot of ratings and stuff, but it is pretty popular. As you can see, now we're going to go ahead and read here where it says earn the images, and kind of start getting an idea as to how we can use this app to earn cash back on our shopping and stuff. So it says earn up to 25 cents a gallon on gas purchases. So they do have gas stations that they work with, where you can get cash back. And also it's only like certain gas stations that you can do that. And then it says get cash back on your grocery trips. Okay, so once you scan your receipt, you will get cash back. And it says new weekly offers on top brand names. Okay, so they do have offers on top brands that you can purchase, and it says works anytime at any store. Okay, so it does work at any time in any store. Now I'm not sure about local stores, but probably big chain stores, I want to say. I'm not sure if it'll work on like small local grocery stores, but we'll find out. And it says stop losing money at the register. Okay, and it says refer friends and get more cash back. Okay, so if you refer your friends, you will earn more cash back. So that is that. It does kind of provide a lot of information in the images. It's pretty self-explanatory, but we can go ahead and read the about section to get a little bit more of a clear idea as to how we can use this app to earn cash back on our shopping trips and whenever we purchase a gas as well. Now it says Checkout 51 is a cashback app where you can get gas rewards and cashback that saves you tons of money on your favorite brands groceries, and necessities. New fuel rewards is where smart drivers can get their gas cash back and grocery offers on everything you buy. Find grocery offers and fuel rewards and start saving money with coupons and cash back. New deals are available on everyday items from all of your favorite stores. Grocery offers and cash rewards are updated every Thursday. Gas Cashback Now members will be able to earn up to 25 cents a gallon on purchases. Earn cashback on gas stations like Shell, Chevron, BP, Exxon, Mobil, and more. Earn cashback on gas every time you fill up. Every week, every grocery offers and cashback rewards are right at your fingertips. Get grocery promo savings, cashback offers, and right from your phone. Grocery offers are easy to redeem. Just a snap of a photo of your receipt and earn cash rewards. Save money with these simple steps. Browse grocery offers that are updated every Thursday. Buy groceries and products from any store. Take a photo of your receipt and redeem your offer. Earn cashback rewards. Get the savings app that gives cashback on every items. Today with a checkout 51, savings app mean no more couponing books that waste paper, grocery offer apps that don't have the brands you love, clipping in store coupons before shopping, arguing with the cashier and holding up the rest of the line. Checkout 51 features store coupon app. Grocery offers are updated every Thursday to find coupons you need. Save money at your favorite stores like Target, Walmart, and CVS. We have coupons in every category for more savings opportunity. Earn cash back instantly from your receipt. Save your receipt, take a picture of it, and earn cash back. Send your receipt for money back and you can cash out once you reach $20 in savings. View your savings balance anytime. Gas rewards, earn cashback rewards when you fill up your tank. Fuel rewards and gas stations, your frequent gas rebates to save at the pump. Gas prices comparison to help you find the best deal on gasoline. You have 4 hours from the time you add the offer to fill up your tank, so you try to only add offers when you are ready to head to the gas station. Note, all gas offers must be purchased with a debit or credit card. That is something that you have to really keep in mind. I actually have a video on a different app that it's called Get Upside, and where you can earn money back on your gas purchase. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the card up here so you can go ahead and check it out if you're interested, where I share my experience on the other app when it comes to purchasing gas and using debit credit card and stuff like that. Okay, now it says upload your receipt within 24 hours, wait and watch savings roll in. Grocery offers at your favorite stores, rewards and money back from your favorite stores, cashback savings earned from Walmart, Target, CVS, Kroger, Safeways, Walgreens, HEB, Publix, Costco, Whole Foods, Sam's Clubs, Babies R Us, and more. Sort grocery offers by store and category to make shopping easy. Savings on your favorite products. Shop and save on grocery items like Mountain Dew, Coca-Cola, Gatorade, milk, cheese, bread, and more. Savings on household items like Huggies, Pampers, Charming, Bounty, Tide, Glade, and more. Save the offers that interest you to help quickly find them later. Search for deals. Search items you'll need this week and save money. Checkout 51's new search bar lets you instantly find deals without scrolling. Stop couponing hunting and earn cashback on everything from grocery to household items. Save money and time with Checkout 51 to put more savings in your wallet. Checkout 51 uses your location minimally while in the background to deliver in-store offers to you at the right time. Note that continued use of GPS running in the background can dramatically decrease battery life. If you need any support, please contact us at, and they provide you their website right here. For California residents, please follow this link to exercise your right to opt out of the sale of your personal information under the California Consumer Privacy Act. Do not sell my personal information. Okay, so this is for California residents right here. And yeah, that is that app. That is this app. It has a lot of useful information and it looks pretty legit to me. I don't have any personal experience, that I have to say. I have not used this app at all. Now, after reading all of this, I do my grocery shopping and stuff like that at most of these places that they mention here on this app. So I am going to give it a try. I also have another app that I am using that it's called Fetch Rewards. I'm going to go ahead and link the video up here. You can go ahead and check it out where I share my experience, keep taking a picture of my receipts and earning points and stuff like that. So if you're interested, check it out. That's another app that gives you cash back on your shopping. But I do also have an entire playlist on different apps that you can use to get cash back whenever you shop, and I'm gonna go ahead and link that as well up here. That playlist has so many apps that you can actually use, and if you can, I mean, the thing is that if you can go shopping one time and actually use that one receipt for multiple apps and get cashback on multiple apps, that would be great. I have not tried that. I'm going to try that and keep you guys updated. And yeah, that is all that I have today. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family, friends, and also if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing and help us reach to 1,000 subscribers before the end of April. That is a goal that I have for this channel and this community. I want to monetize this channel so I can do more gift card giveaways and maybe other items that I can do giveaways on, but we definitely need to start monetizing this channel in order to do that. So please consider subscribing, and don't forget to follow us on our other social media platforms. We do have a Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok account. So if you're interested, all of the links are going to be in the description below this video. And that is all that I have for today. Thank you so much for your time, and until next time.